Hey guys, how's it going? It's Linda here today with another review from Compu Expert for you guys. I'll put their link down below once again. They did send this out for review also, so let's get into this. I'll have the full written review at the Tech Erra down below for you guys in the description box. And so right here is the Xbox 360 basically, kit. And what does this do? It turns your PC headsets into, 2.5mm jack. Capable, so that you can use it to play on your Xbox. You can listen to the sound through these devices, and you can chat on it, so that's really cool. So this does come for the PS3 also, so if you guys want to check that out, they also have that. It's also from TeknMotion, so they do make some pretty cool stuff over there. This is very similar to this. The only thing this doesn't have is a gaming amplifying kit. So move this one to the side and show you guys what's included in this box and whatnot. So let's just take a look. Here are the features of this. Just some of them, and you can see right here. Some more technical stuff. Pause the video if you guys want to check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the box. So let's check out what cords and whatnot comes with it. So right here is the 10mm 3.5mm jack. And this is really cool to include because you'd have to buy extra cords to actually work with this. And maybe this isn't long enough, you're going to have to buy another extender and whatnot. It just depends, and I'll talk about that in a bit. Right here are your component cables, and what's really nice about this is that you can plug these in and use the ones that you took out and plug it back into this, so you can do basically a double, component cable into the TV, and it goes to a 3.5mm jack. Can you guys see that? I'm not sure. It's hard to look at the lighting. So right here is your splitter, which basically turns any of your 3.5mm headsets into a capable, 2.5 capable device. So I think this one's a microphone, but you just plug this one in. This goes to a 2.5mm, so then you can plug that into your Xbox controller and chat with it. And the other one goes through the system and does all the connections. So let's take a look at the Xjacker amplifying amplifier. And right here, oops, almost dropped that. It is pretty small. I'll grab my iPod and show you guys next to it. So it's about the same width. It's a little bit thick, but it is made of plastic, so it's really soft. Light. So as you guys can see here, volume, bass, and input. And these all have, these have diodes, and the input, you plug that, the component cables into that, and that goes to your TV or your Xbox, depending. You have your output, which is where you're going to put your headphone, and your power source, which you do need to power this, which comes through I'm not sure if I showed you guys the mini USB and the USB. So when you plug this in, I'm not sure if it will work with my computer, which is on standby. Okay, it does. You'll see a LED light up, and that means it is working. Right, so there is a lot of cords with this, and here is how you set it up. Very nifty that they include this diagram, because otherwise I probably would mess everything up. You guys can see right there. And also how to set it up on your Xbox or PS3, depending what version you buy. And so, it's a really cool kit. The really major problems is that, first off, you're limited on 10mm or plus some, depending how long your cable is. And this does have to use a USB plug, and there's a lot of cords, so it's very easy to get tangled or something might happen. But it does add some power to your your listening experience. You get some bass in there. You can adjust the volume, so if your TV's like broken, or your remote's broken, then you can adjust the volume on here, and which is really nice, because usually when I listen to things and it's on one volume that you're only allowed to use with that, it does tend to get loud. Also, you can use this with other things. I've tried to use it with my PC, Once again, you do have to plug in the USB, and then you plug it, input in there, output through your headphones, and also add some nice kick in there, really nice bass. I was very surprised by how powerful the bass was, and it just added a nice touch to the gaming experience. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, once again, all the links will be down below. Definitely check out Compu Expert. Very cool product. If you guys want to check out the PS3 version, that will also, be on their website. And that is pretty much it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.